Hi guys, I'm Radhini and welcome to my channel. So today I'll be transferring my ZZ cuttings to soil. I had propagated this few months back, but I kind of neglected it and forgot to transfer it to soil. This has started developing new shoots as well, and this one also has a new growth. This one is completely yellowed now, but it has some roots, so I'll give it a try. I'll just chop off the yellow part and I'll just plant the remaining stem in the soil. So I have taken a 4.5-inch pot. It has good amount of drainage holes. Recently I have been using these vegetable net bags to cover the drainage holes, and it has been working well for me, and that way I can reuse those net bags instead of throwing it. And for the soil I'm taking a well draining mix because ZZ can get root rot if overwatered. So I am trying to have a good draining mixture. So I'm putting the plant a little deep inside so that these water roots can get good moisture. But now, since these roots are currently water roots, I'll try to keep the soil moist until the roots are well acclimated in the soil. Since it's summer now and water is getting dried quite faster, I am giving it a good water. This is the first time I'm transferring ZZ propagation to soil. I hope it doesn't show off much. I think it will survive. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Happy gardening and have a great day.